Hey guys, Garry Dean, Rapid Ride Rehab, formerly DetailJuice.com. Brand new, Infinite Use Detail Juice Pure. How's this different than previous versions of Infinite Use Detail Juice? Well, obviously I'm always trying to improve. We had some supply chain issues with the original version that I had to basically discontinue last year after the hurricanes and some things, but this is a derivative of the Infinite Use Detail Juice 25. Now, IUDJ 25 had ceramic and all kinds of protection built into it, but it come to find out most of my customers don't want this to have lots of protection because they want to use other protection. And sometimes, especially if you're going outside my brand to apply the protection, you might have some compatibility issues. Who knows? I don't know. I don't test. I test all of my products with my products like every other company does. So Infinite Use Detail Juice Pure dilutes just like the original and works very much like the original. This actually has the same amount of protection, no more protection than the original did. That's, I don't know, anywhere from 2 weeks to 30 days-ish. This will allow you to very lubricatingly wash the vehicle with a rinseless wash, or you can dilute it for a waterless wash at 4 ounces to 124 ounces. That makes 1 gallon total solution. Spray it on, wipe it off, good to go. You can then add your protective product after that. If you're looking to use Infinite Use Detail Juice Pure like you would have used the original Infinite Use Detail Juice, you can add equal parts of the Rapid In and Out Protect to the Infinite Use Detail Juice Pure in the bucket. So if you do 1 ounce of this, you do 1 ounce of this in the bucket. That'll give you awesome protection in the wash. And well, that just saves time and gives the customer more for their money, and or you can sell it that way if you are in business detailing. I mean, you can sell it as a protective wash if you so choose, because you're spending more money on your protective product and adding it to the mix. So with that said, very much like the original, dilutes like the original. The only thing this can't do that the original could do is be used as a dressing. It is a completely different formula. You cannot use it as a dressing. You can, however, because it has the rapid encapsulation technology, where it rapidly encapsulates all of the dirt and debris and allows you to safely remove it with the towel without scratching the paint. The other cool technology that we've pretty much always had is the salt shocker technology. This will break down salt granules as you're washing if you're in a state that salts the road. So this will help you in the winter in your garage to wash your vehicle safely and without the salt messing up your deal. So that is Infinite Use Detail Juice Pure, and you can get that at rapidriderehab.com.